everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to see how we can create a ribbon chart in PowerBi. Okay, so here I am using the same dataset which we are using in our previous videos. Okay, and just similar to the previous videos, we are going to this visualization panel. Here we have our ribbon chart. Okay, just quickly get this chart, click here and you will get this ribbon chart. Okay, so this is the outlook of your ribbon chart, and here we have some fields. Okay, x-axis, y-axis and legends. Okay, so let's quickly fill values here. So here in x-axis I am putting the order value, order date. Okay, and I want sales on the basis of order date. So where is my sales? Here. So this is my sales on the basis of order date, but okay, my date column is not in so here the data type of order date is text, but I want it on the basis of date. Okay, so let's just convert it into date. Okay, but now it will show the sales for each day, but I want sales on the basis of years only. Okay, so it will show the sales on the basis of year only, and here we have only 2 years, 2019 and 2020. Okay, or we can see it quarterly, on the basis of quarterly. Okay, so it will more clear. Okay, so here we select quarter instead of year. You can also see it on the basis of month if you want. Okay, but I want it quarterly. Okay, and this is my column chart. Basically this is a column chart, but if you we want to make it a ribbon chart, then we need to fill some value on this legends. Okay, here we need to fill some values. So here I want to see my sales of each quarter on the specific region. So here you can see that this is our ribbons. Okay, that's why it is known as ribbon chart. So let's just see this chart. Here you can see that the west season having the largest sales on first quarter, and the central season is having the second highest sales on first quarter, and east is having third highest sale in the first quarter, and lowest sale south is having the lowest sale. Okay, and in second quarter, as you can see here, our central region sales is going down. Okay, and till the last quarter it is less than the east and west. Okay, so west is having the largest sale in each quarter, and west is having the largest sales on each quarter, and east is having the second largest sales on second, third and fourth quarter, and central is having the third largest sale on quarter 2, quarter 1 and quarter 3, and south is having the lowest sale on each quarter. Okay, so that's how you can create a column chart in PowerBi, ribbon chart in PowerBi. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.